Yeah, this is backside of library. You can see lots of trees and greenery. It's a beautiful scenery of the library. Hey guys, come with me. We will go outside. I will try to show you Monastic, the backside scenery. It's a beautiful, clean, and calm. Also, I'm trying to show you the Monastic library, the full picture in this video. The Monastic library is a beautiful and a good design with our traditional. So, those who love the read book, please welcome to our Monastic library. We have lots of books, lots of different books in the different languages. Thank you guys.